Hi, my name is John Craig, and this is my Sprint 2 demo for All in the Plan. My major achievements this sprint are I implemented adding a calendar event to Firebase, and I implemented adding a picture to that event. My first story is, as a user, I want to be able to create events on my schedule so that I can manage my schedule. Okay, to demo that, I'm going to go ahead and run the project. And sign in. Okay. For acceptance 1, the user can press some button to add an event. The user can set date times for the event and the event name. The user can list users to share with. And the event is stored in Firebase. Okay, to demo that, just 1 second. You see the collection was empty. And if you look now, we have my cool event at some location created by test, and the photo shared with test 2. As a user, I want to be able to tag a location for an event so that I can keep track of where I need to be. The user can enter an address for an event. The user can enter an address for an event. The address is saved in Firebase. So to demo that, just 1 second. Okay. If we check back in Firebase, you can see that the address is stored in Firebase. My last story is, as a user, I want to add pictures to my scheduled events so that I can remind myself of things or personalize events. And demo that. Let's try logging into a test account. So as you see, the user can add a picture to a created event. The user can view the picture on the created event. And the picture data is stored in Firebase. You can see the photo URL for the photo is stored there. And that is my Sprint 2 progress report. Thank you for watching.